Today I have yet another beautiful beet recipe for you. It is a creamy beet salad. Some call it a dip, some call it a salad with Greek strained yogurt. Very delicious, super easy to make, and it is gonna be a hit with everyone. So first things first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna need the help of my food processor here. Now, these food processors here in Greece are like, I don't know if it's like the voltage or I don't know what it is. They're like afterburners when they start. Like they're like, it's insane. So first things first, I'm gonna take about a cup of strained Greek yogurt, and I'm just gonna put this right into my food processor here. That's about right, give or take. Now, along with this, I'm going to be using about a pound of beets. Now, these are vacuum sealed beets, so these are like fantastic to use when you're in a pinch or you just don't feel like boiling them. That's fine too, because they're already peeled and cooked for you. Now, I put them in my plate here so that way I don't get my cutting board all dirty and stained, but that's totally up to you. Now, there's Oliver again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these in half and I'm gonna place them in here. I want half my beets to be kind of pureed down and really into cut into small pieces, almost like a cream. And then I'm gonna do the other half and it's gonna be on the chunkier side. So that's that there. Now, along with this, what you're hearing in the background is Oliver destroying my house. I'm gonna do a little bit of salt to kind of egg this on that this is a savory dish. A little bit of pepper. I should have quite a bit of pepper. I'm gonna do about 3 or 4 good tablespoons of red wine vinegar is gonna go in here. Give it that little bit of zing. And lastly, the kicker to this recipe is some walnuts. And for this, I'm gonna be using about a 1/4 cup to a 1/3 of a cup of walnuts. So now these are gonna get worked into my food processor here. And put this on there. And check out the color. I want you guys to see the color. Look at the color of the yogurt, how it's turning with the beets. That's it. Now, what I'm gonna do is very, very quickly, I'm just gonna throw in the rest of my beets. And what I'm gonna do is, all I'm going to do for this is just pulse it a little bit because I want these to remain intact. I want you guys to be able to see there are actual chunks of beets in here. Put those in just like that. Perfect. Let me just lose the plate here for a second. You can dye Easter eggs with this thing here. So put that there. And now, real easy, I'm just gonna put this back on and just pulse this right now. You don't need to do anything too intense with this. Close we are. I'm good with that. I am absolutely good with that. So now, let's grab this little thing here. I'm just gonna pour this onto my plate here, my serving. Look at this. Look how gorgeous that is. So what I wanna do as well is just drizzle a little bit of my extra virgin olive oil over it, just like that. Nothing too much. Less is more, even with olive oil sometimes. And to let people know what's going on, I'm gonna take a small pile of walnuts and just place them in the middle here, just like that, to let people know. And even if you have an allergy, you'll know that as well. And just a little couple of specks of green. That's it. That's it. You don't need more than that. So that's it for this episode on my Greek style beet and strained Greek yogurt salad. I thank you so much for watching, with walnuts, by the way, I almost forgot. Thank you so much for watching. For this recipe and many others, check me out online as well at kensgreektable.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. And until next time, much love from beautiful Greece. Bye for now.